It's the JIS Heritage School Tour 2015. Hey, I'm your girl Tamara.
And I'm Sandra.
And today we're giving you all the fun highlights. So stay tuned. Oh, what an exciting time the JIS team had, making the journey right across the island on our annual Heritage School Tour. The focus for 2015 was
Jamaica heritage impacts in the world.
So in what ways have we made a big contribution to the world?
Jamaican sports. Our reggae music.
Jamaica has a rich heritage.
Jamaica was the birthplace of reggae music.
The Jamaican Usain Bolt.
Yes, the big man Usain Bolt was a major highlight at most schools, as many students shared how much he had inspired them.
Impact me by trying to strive to be as fast as him, to get the world record and break it, and yeah, it's impact me, and I'm proud of him.
And why do they think he runs so fast?
I'm happy to be here in my alma mater. Are you holding the William Nib banner high? I hope you're not hoping that it's just Bolt alone, right? All of the banner, you know. Each and every one of you have a responsibility.
On the western leg of the journey, I stopped by my alma mater at the Westwood High School. Ora et labore. Yes, Westwood, the all-girls school in Trelawney which wears the hat. We got a bit of history on that.
In those days, the tradition was that ladies would not go out without a hat. So we have tried to maintain that when the students are on campus, they don't wear the hat, but they wear it when they go off for functions and when they're on the street.
I really enjoyed my time at Westwood, you know, Sandra. What about you? What was your favorite part of the school tour?
I was really just impressed by the talent of our students as they entertained in dance, poetry, singing and more, showing why we as Jamaicans little but talawa.
Jamaican talent turn up. I also enjoyed learning the historical background of the schools we visited. Trust me, I learned a lot.
Donald Quarry High School was constructed and opened almost 39 years ago. Initially, this school was Donald Quarry Secondary, but after Mr. Quarry's victory at the Montreal Olympics, the school was renamed the Donald Quarry High School.
Gregory Park Primary started in 1895 as the Baptist school, and then in 1951 there was a hurricane that destroyed the property, and then it was moved to One Cottage Drive in 1954.
Here we have a vibrant cultural club, and we have entered a number of competitions at the JCDC level, and we have earned a lot of medals.
All All in all, it was another successful tour, and we were able to share pieces of Jamaican history with the schools.
We're really happy to be here. We just want to share in the whole cultural experience.
We are a great nation. We have done so much for this world, and we are continuing to do our best.
That's a wrap on the 2015 JIS Heritage School Tour. I definitely had a lot of fun.
But tune in next year, same time for another exciting show. Until then,
Walk good.